तो आपला चरण बुला दे नाही तो बुलायला पटापट बात कर बडीच बुलायला पटापट वंशी वाले की
नमक खाते हैं और
नीचे से आजा नीचे से अरे इधर से ओए बैठ के आजा अपना और राजेंद्र अब तो क्या कर रहा है अरे यार कलाकार आदमी है फिर बोलेंगे रीजन फिर मैं बोलूंगा बहुत ही ज्यादा अरे मैं कह रहा हूँ वो बोल रहे होगे पहले एक बार पार्वती के मोटियार
नजदीक यहाँ पे जीत के अगर ये सेट में जीत जाते हैं तो फाइनल सेट होगा अगर जो जीतेगा वही मैच का विनर होगा
Someone who enlightens your path and someone who leads you from darkness to light. Like in Hindi we say, Tamsovan Jyotirmay. Today we have assembled here for project presentation session. We cordially welcome present guest panel from Shapers India Private Limited, which belongs to Noida. I would like to welcome Suchi Shukla ma'am. She is the HOD of Electrical Department, Madhumai sir and Shedar sir. And I would like to say all the audience to give a very big round of applause for the present guest panel. Thank you very much. Now I would like to invite Mr. Roman sir to please come on the dais and say a few information about his company. Please give him a big round of applause.
How are you? I see a couple of faces here that I recognize from yesterday's events. Basically, we are a technical partner for the event process. We are organizing it along with the regional college, and we are a partner for the technical events. So we were present in the paper presentation and a couple of other events that were held during the last couple of days. And today we are here for the project presentation. We are basically a consulting and a staffing company which provide solutions to organizations as well as institutions regarding training and staffing solutions for institutions, you can say, and organizations basically which are in need of resources, and institutions who have resources who want them to get placed. So basically act as a bridge between the organization and the institution. And I'm looking forward to the project presentation of all you guys. So all the best from my side. Have a great presentation.
Thank you so much, sir. Invite Suchi Shukla ma'am to please come on the dais and address the students and tell us the importance of this session. Please give her a big round of applause.
As you know, this is a project presentation. Project is very essential for engineering field. If you know about the practical knowledge, then you can get the better opportunities. Basically, so I hope
बार में थोड़ी नॉलेज दैट्स बेटर। मैं खुद अपनी लाइफ में बहुत से प्रोजेक्ट्स बना चुका हूँ, बहुत से काम कर चुका हूँ ऐसे, बट उससे मैं खुद सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हूँ। तो देखते हैं आप लोगों का कैसा वर्क है।
Thank you so much, group, which consists of Rijwatullah Rizvi and Himanshu Agarwal. Please come on the stage.
Bringing our branch is computer engineering. What our project is basically bringing virtuality into reality. In this, what we do now is operating a projector screen through our laptop. But what we have done, we have made a IR pen, a device, through which we will now operating this screen directly. We will show a little demo to you how we can operate this screen. We can do drag and drop. We can operate anything which you operate directly from your laptops. This is a high-key software, which is a purchase version of this software. This software is not freely available. Through this software, we will be operating, will make something that you would like very much. There is a little problem with this screen because the screen is not running the full screen mode. We can draw anything on this screen directly through this IR pen. We can cut, copy anything to make an effective presentation. This portion we have cropped and we can move it anywhere. Similarly, we can use this protector. Now we will show you some of the coding applications that we have made. The problem with the inbuilt we have virtual keyboard inbuilt in our systems. But the problem was that the system gets hanged when we use our IR pen with this system. So we have made our own virtual keyboard which will be operating directly through this IR pen. We can write anything, like you can see. Now we will show you an application of ER diagram. In computers we have entity relationship diagram. The software for this entity relationship diagram is not freely available. We have IBM Rational Rows tool which does not include the functionality for the ER diagram. It includes activity diagrams, class diagram, but it does not include ER diagram. So we made a software for ER diagram also. This is basically the application what we made for the ER diagram. In this you can make the full ER diagram functionality. Like you have to give the name of the entity. We can directly give the name of the entity. This is basically the ER diagram application what we have. Thank you. We are unable to show you the full functionality because of this projector screen. We need a hardboard for this. It was not available here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Any queries?
What is the utility of this?
The main application of this project is in effective presentation. through this you can make your presentation very effective. We can show you. We have showed you the IT software.
I understand that, but efficiency of IR pens is not 100%. Right.
Sir, as I told that because of this screen, this projector screen, we are not able. We need a hardboard to show the efficiency. It's 99% efficient. This IR pen. It works just like a mouse pad.
You know, the technology that is actually being used today is not with the use of IR pens. For effective presentation, people are using gestures, right? You are in front of a projector screen, you move your hand like this and the page flips.
Yeah.
Okay, if I'm talking about the utility in the current scope of time, so you
We have moved very high, but because of the resources that we don't have yet, because you are saying that moving the things with the gestures, these things we just imagine virtually. We don't have it practically in India. Also, we don't have it practically now. So just to increase the efficiency or effective presentation, our college also has the smart board. But what it has been costing is 4 lakhs rupees. It has been wired, and this project has been costing us 3,000 only.
I understand that. What you have shown is basically what it is going to do, right? What it is doing. What you should be showing is how you have done it, right? Because this is your project. I will understand what the project is doing, but what effort you have put in, how you have done it. Have you built the software versus creating ER diagrams?
Yeah, we have built the software. We'll show you how the coding part also. Of this. Yes, sir, we have built it.
Can you explain to me from any part of the project that I asked?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Minutes. With this, I would like to invite our next participant, and they are Naveen Upadhyay and Ankita Tripathi from Global Institute of Technology. Please come now. The previous participant, they need some time for the preparation. And for that, we are calling the next participant.
जैसे हमने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट की तो अपना पेंडुलम होता है नॉर्मल क्लॉक टावर में, उसको हमने सर एक शाफ्ट लिया और अटैच कर दिया पुलिस के थ्रू से। और जब अपना पेंडुलम जब बस मूवमेंट करेगा तो P1 की वजह से एक हाफ रोटेशन आ गया सर शाफ्ट में, नीचे वाले शाफ्ट। और सर जब पुली वापस इस मूवमेंट से वापस रिटर्न होगा तो वही हमने शिफ्ट कर लिया सर सेकंड वाले पुली को, और एक पूरा कंप्लीट रोटेशन बना लिया सर। और उसी को एक शाफ्ट के थ्रू अटैच करके हमने सर डायनेमो लगाया और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट की सर। और सर इसका अपना मतलब इसके एडवांटेज होंगे सर, जो क्लॉक टावर्स होते हैं उनमें कभी सप्लाई ऑफ हुई तो सर जो सप्लाई हुई अपन उससे सप्लाई जनरेट कर रहे हैं वो सप्लाई देनी है, टाइम एरर नहीं आएगा सर वहाँ पर। और जो रात होगी उस वक्त में सर अपन जो उससे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट की उसी से उसको लाइटिंग कर सर इस तरह बस करना है।
प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इसका हुआ है।
सर इसका प्रैक्टिकल का इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया
आपने नहीं किया
नहीं सर, कहीं नहीं किया सर। ये जो इसको प्राइमरी मूवर को रोटेट करा रहे होते हैं सर, वहीं तक छोड़ा हुआ है तो हमने उसी को लिया, वो प्राइमरी मूवर से रोटेट करा रहे हैं। प्राइमरी मूवर जो आप क्लॉक टावर देखते हैं उनमें वो पेंडुलम होता है यूनिफॉर्म रोटेट कराता है, वहाँ प्राइमरी मूवर लेके रोटेट कराया हमने, उसी को करना